Pranam, Jai Jinendra, this side trainer Yash Jain from Chennai. I'm an internationally certified trainer and the youngest life coach of India, working with kids from the past 4 years and have trained over 10,000 plus kids. In this video, I will be explaining all details about midbrain activation in a very simple language. What exactly is it? How do we do it? And a few FAQs as well. So let's get started. Let's first understand what exactly is midbrain. हमने सबने सुना है शिव जी की तीसरी आंख, द थर्ड आई, दैट इज pineal gland and that is known as midbrain. Now, when we activate our midbrain, we are able to find out colors and numbers with our eyes closed. But that's not our motive. We aim for four major outcomes out of midbrain activation. The first outcome is focus and concentration. As being a student myself, I know that everyone, literally everyone, demands us to focus and concentrate. Number two, melatonin. Now, this is a very scientific benefit. Let me explain it to you. In our body, we have something called a circadian clock, which is rhythmed with the sun rising and the moon coming up. So, when the sun sets, after 3 hours of it, tentatively approx at 10 p.m., our brain needs to start secreting melatonin for good sleep and creativity. But when we use mobile phones late at night, 10 बजे 11 बजे 12 बजे तक जब हम मोबाइल फोन्स टीवी गैजेट्स का यूज करते हैं, तो द मेलेटोनिन secretion, which is very crucial especially for kids, does not secrete because our brain thinks that it is still day, अभी तक रात हुई नहीं है, अभी तक सनसेट हुआ नहीं है, एंड इसीलिए मेलेटोनिन सेक्रेशन हो जाता है बंद. एंड as I said, melatonin is very important for our creativity and our sleep. Third benefit is intuitions, which we call it as the sixth sense, that improves with midbrain activation. And the fourth and the best outcome of midbrain activation is emotional balance. A lot of parents, teachers, educators find that their childs are more angrier. Depression, anxiety signs, suicidal thoughts, all of these things occurs because of emotional imbalance. Let me explain it to you in a simple yet very easy way. हमारा जो फोन होता है उसमें मान लो 128 GB की स्टोरेज है. नाउ इफ आई ट्राई टू एक्सीड दैट स्टोरेज, या मेरे को एक ऐप डाउनलोड करना है जिसके लिए चाहिए मान लो 200 GB, तो will it download in my phone? Of course not. Even if I try doing that, it will not happen in the first place. Even if I try, it will hang, वो बंद हो जाएगा, गर्म हो जाएगा हमारा फोन. So all of this would happen. Why? Because the capacity is just 128 GB. Now, can I increase my phone storage? Yes, definitely. I can add external hard disk to it and increase its storage. Now the similar concept applies for our brain as well. हमारे दिमाग की कैपेसिटी बहुत हाई है, बट उसको एक्टिवेट करने की ज़रूरत है. और जब हम बिना एक्टिवेट किए, स्टडीज़ कॉन्स्टेंटली हमारी बढ़ती है, फॉर अडल्ट रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज कॉन्स्टेंटली बढ़ती है, बट हम हमारे ब्रेन को एक्टिव करते हैं. दैट्स अ बिग क्वेश्चन मार्क. और जब ये नहीं होता है तो हैंग होना, ये हमारा ब्रेन हैंग होता है जब हमारे इमोशंस इम्बैलेंस्ड होते हैं. So the most important outcome of midbrain activation is emotional balance. Children are much more happier than before, and that is what we want. Now, let's discuss a few FAQs. Number one, the process of midbrain. It's very simple. We have a musical tool which we use to activate midbrain, and it just takes us 4 hours, 2 days to 2 hours, and the child's midbrain is active. Second is, what about the practice? And I personally agree, midbrain activation needs practice. But being a child myself, I understand child psychology. And making children practice on their own self is a task. I understand that. And for that very reason, we have come up with a community. Now, in that community, there is no marketing, no updates, nothing. Just pure practice. Monthly 1 to 2 follow-up sessions which you can attend and continue to improve your brain ability. Now, the third FAQ, age limit. Typically, anyone who is aged above 7 can do it, But typically, what we focus on is 7 years to 15 years. That is where we get the best results. So I hope I've answered all your questions. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out. Namaste, Pranam.